a very auction-oriented office. There's a lot of emotions. People can touch, feel the property. People see their competitors. Our nature, human being, we just don't want to lose. And that's what's the beauty about auctions.
Nimi's a very professional agent, leaves nothing unturned, and the marketing has looked beautiful. Testament to the amount of people that have actually arrived here today, and expecting some good quality bidding here today, as you'd expect for this type of property. Today's the day to find a new owner. Who will that new owner be? Opening bidder offer. Where do we be in your hands, please?
1-3. Good start there at 1-3, so we're away at 1.3 bidding. 1.350 here at 1.350. 1.37. 1.4, 142, 145, 142. Good strong bidding. What you need to do to keep that momentum going here now. 144, 145. Pull the trigger now. 146 here at 1,460,000. Must be the last person to bid to buy. Won't sit and dwell. Here we go. Here's your opportunity right here, right now. 1,470, 80, 90, 95, 15. At 1,510,000 now. Done. Bidding. First. 1,511. I'll say yes at 1. I don't think it'll do it. 13, if you like. 13 or 15. At 1,516 now. First. Second. Third and final time at 1,516,000. Now here I go. Well done. Congratulations there to you, sir. Good bidding. On behalf of Langus Evans Newtown, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
We didn't expect quite such a good auction. There was more people than we thought would come. So we put that down to Namir's charm.
And marketing ability, of course.
And his marketing ability, yeah.
It was quite fast for an auction. I think the young man who bought the property, he's very excited. I'm excited for him. But I would have been excited for everyone to buy it because they're all a lovely bunch of buyers.
It was on the market before with another agent.
And the whole process went very smoothly this time, whereas previously it had been difficult.
And we didn't expect to get this price, and we'd recommend him to anyone.